Hello out there, and nice to have you with us once more on another edition of the 3-day weather forecast. I am Onyilo Desmond. We have three dust plume raised back to back within the last 3 days over our source region, the area adjoining Chad and Niger Republic. The dust did come into the country to give dust haze conditions to the extreme north and the central states. Conditions were poorer over the north, where horizontal visibilities were within the neighborhood of 1,000 meters plus minus. They were better over the central region. We could, however, see a slight change in this weather pattern as our high pressures over our source region have reduced in intensity and their pressure gradient. And as seen from this present satellite imagery as of Friday, we do not have any fresh plume over our source region, just the dust we have within the northern part of the country. And so for the rest of Friday, we expect dust haze to prevail both for the extreme north and the central states, even though horizontal visibility should be better than what we had on Thursday. They should be within 2,000 to 5-6 kilometers. Down south, we have more of cloudy conditions over the inland areas of the south and the coastal parts of the country. We have moisture coming into the coastal parts of the country, and there are prospects of thunderstorms to affect parts of Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, and River State within parts of Friday. For temperatures, we did see that early morning temperatures were quite low thanks to the dust in suspension that blanketed the incoming solar radiation, giving us some cool early morning temperatures. But for maximum temperatures, they're still quite on the high side. And for Friday, we expect maximum temperatures to hit 36 degrees Celsius over Sokoto. We expect it to reach a whooping 40 over Yelwa in Kebbi State, 39 degrees Celsius over parts of Kogi, Benue State, and the Federal Capital Territory, while 37 degrees Celsius to parts of Taraba State. And for the air quality is quite unhealthy over most of the northwestern parts of the country, speaking about Katsina, Kanu, Sokoto, Zamfara, parts of Kebbi into Niger. We do have very poor air quality over that area. Air quality is also unhealthy over much of the northern part of the country and the central states as a result of the dust we have in suspension. So we do advise that those with respiratory challenges should endeavor to wear a nose mask if they are in the outdoors. And as we get to the second day of our forecast, which is Saturday, we also expect the north and the central state to still experience dust haze conditions. Howbeit, we expect the horizontal visibilities to be better than what did play out for Friday. And for the southern part of the country, we expect varying levels of cloudiness. We expect the cloudiness to increase further inland as we expect more moisture to push into the country. With the high pressures over the northern area giving way, we expect more mass to move further into the country. On this day, we have prospects of thunderstorms to affect the stretch of the coastal areas from Cross River into Rivers, Akwa Ibom, parts of Bayelsa, and into Delta State. For temperatures, we expect temperatures to still be on the high side, 36 degrees Celsius over Sokoto, 39. However, over Yelwa in Kebbi State, and 39 over the central states of Kogi, Benue State, and the Federal Capital. We expect temperatures, maximum temperatures, to push up slightly over parts of the northeast as Jalingo in Taraba and Yola in Adamawa hit 39 and 38 degrees Celsius respectively. For the air quality for Saturday, we expect it to still be unhealthy to the north, but not as unhealthy as what we projected for Friday. However, we expect Sokoto, part of Zamfara, Katsina, Kanu into Niger State to be quite unhealthy, and for that part of the country of the north, speaking on the central states, to still be unhealthy. Still wear a nose mask if you have respiratory challenges and you're expected to be in the outdoors. And for the last day of our forecast, which is Sunday, for this day, we expect the dust haze conditions over the north and the central states to be minimal. So it should be more of hazy conditions for the extreme north and the northern part of the country. We expect more cloudiness to push further northwards from the southern part of the country. And for Sunday, we expect a wider coverage of thunderstorms as the prospects are there from Cross River through Rivers, through Bayelsa, up to Lagos and Ondo State. We also expect temperatures to push up slightly for Sunday as we expect more moisture to come into the country. We still expect maximum temperatures to be within 39 degrees Celsius, 37, 32, 33 over the north. And for this day, we expect Yola and Jalingo to hit 40 degrees and 39 degrees Celsius respectively. For the air quality for this day, we expect the air quality to be better than Friday and Saturday, even though we still have unhealthy conditions expected for parts of the northwestern part of the country. And that's our bit from here. Thank you for watching, and see you again.